How to name your YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to name or change the name of your YouTube channel. Start by opening your YouTube app. In the main interface, locate and click on the profile icon below. After clicking on the profile icon, you will be directed to a page where you can see View Channel option right below your name. Click on it to go to another page. Click on the pencil icon. Here you will see the details of your YouTube channel. Look for the option that says Name and click on it. This is where you can change or add a name to your YouTube channel. You can modify or add your desired name to the YouTube channel here. It says you can change name twice in 14 days, which means you won't be able to change your name for next 7 days. Don't forget to click on that save button to ensure your name is successfully changed. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.